Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me a picture of this file that they bought off Esty, and they're trying to enhance or put their dog's name into it. I would never buy this file, and you don't have to either. This would be very easily to draw. And I thought, and this wasn't in what the video is about, but I'm using my new macro that's free. It's AORP, that stands for Adjust Object Retain Position. So all I do is I drew 4 circles on a square or a rectangle. I'm going to select them all. I've got 5 objects. Here's a little insight. If you hold down the shift key, you can deselect that rectangle, and you can see that I've got just the circle selected. I'm going to go to this. I'm going to make them 4 inches from the center. This way I can instantaneously, without having to change each one individually, I can see what my dog bone's going to look like. And for the video, that's good enough. I would maybe change it and make it sloped. And there's a lot of ways you could do that. Maybe I'll finish that part of the video and then go back a little bit and finish out how to put a name in there. So let's take our shape tool and let's turn this into a curve. And let's grab the center and maybe just bring it in a little bit. Maybe give it a little bit more twist. And what I'm going to show you how to do something is you can only adjust one and get them all 4 done. So let's make a little bit more of a curve here. So we've got one part of the dog bone done. So I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to flip it. See what happened? Now I can take my Smart Fill tool and fill in that shit. I've got it set for white. Let's set it for red or any color. Now I've got a little bit of a slope in the center, but that doesn't really matter. Right now I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to left click, right click, and now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to flip it this way. All you have to do is take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now, I went a little overboard on the dog bone, but you can kind of get the idea. And you could take your shape tool and get rid of these nodes. And anyway, you get the idea. So I'm going to repair this a little bit, and then I'll show you in step 2 how to do this. He wants it cut out, so he's going to have to use a stencil font, but this is pretty easy. So stay tuned for part 2. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.